See the moon? Well, I'm back here with my work construction clothes on and about to do some work here. We dug the foundation trenches and then the rain came and washed a full foot of dirt back into the holes. This is jungle construction. You plan, you dig, and nature decides when you're allowed to move forward. Yeah, but today starts the cleanup. So we can mix and pour the foundation and keep building Adventure Burica the hard way, the honest way. Would you wait for the dry season to keep pushing? Would you redo it now? Or would you wait? I'm not waiting.